Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're taking a look at Moshi products for the new iPhone 12. You have the Moshi Vitros Clear Slim case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then you have the Altra case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then you have the AirFoil Pro iPhone 12 Pro Max screen cover. This is a glass full screen cover. And then you have the Moshi Ultra body strap included as well. So we'll start with the clear case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. That's right here. Has the flat sides. And they give you some instructions if you want to use it with their different Moshi products. But it's very clear. I like the feel of the case. Very small, unobtrusive branding at the bottom, and it has a nice bump out right here for the camera, so it will protect the camera module, and it has button covers on both sides, and everything feels solid even though it's a thin case, and you have all of your open charging port, microphone, and speaker port there. So that's for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now this other one for the 12 Pro Max is a slightly thicker cover, and it comes built in with a strap connector, and the strap is right here. So you connect that to this. Some button covers here. They're nice metallic looking covers for the buttons on both sides. And this does not have so much of a raised port cover for the camera module. However, there is material between where the cameras bump out and where this is, so it will provide protection for the cameras. Now this is built in to the case, so it won't come apart when you have the phone inserted. I like the design, but if you have a color that you want to show off, you definitely want to go with this clear case right there. And the Moshi branding doesn't seem to be on the back as well as this one, so it just has a cool design unobtrusively, which we like. And then now we'll get to the AirFoil Pro. This is a complete glass screen cover for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and they have a nice warranty, some information there. You can pause the video and check at any time, and it covers the whole screen, so that's nice. And then here is the body strap for the phone connector. This comes out here and connects to this piece here, and then that's where the branding is located on the button for the connector. So here are some cases from Moshi for the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. You have clear, you have a design glass screen cover, and the body strap.